Hey Starseeds, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about how to make a very high protein, low carb, high fat, vegan breakfast recipe. What are we making? We are going to be making a tofu mousse that is rich and creamy and delicious. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe because you know that we are here every single week providing you with delicious plant-based recipes. So let's get in the kitchen. So the first ingredient we're going to be throwing into our food processor is this organic tofu, and it's silken tofu. You don't want to be using the firm tofu for this recipe. So we're placing 300 grams of this tofu into the food processor. We're also using 1 avocado for this recipe. So with a spoon, I'm just going to remove all the meat. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of raw organic cacao powder. This is packed with magnesium, and it's what's going to give it its chocolatey flavor and color as well. Okay, so this is the part where we're going to be adding in some stevia. Now, if you're not into stevia and you just want to use some good old-fashioned maple syrup and make it into more of a dessert, then you can go ahead and do so. But if you're a fitness freak and you're watching your sugar intake, then I highly recommend you put in some stevia. So I'm just adding in 3 packages of stevia. So altogether, that's 2.25 grams of stevia. So all we're going to do now is mix it all up. Okay, Starseeds, look at the silky texture we have going on here. So silky and smooth. So just choose your favorite bowl and just place all of this goodness inside. Oh my God. You could also add vanilla bean to this or peanut butter, just get creative. But this is a good base. So before we decorate our tofu mousse bowl with berries, I'm just going to, with a spatula, smooth it out a little bit, make it look a little more pretty. And you could actually place this in the fridge for a couple hours, just let it chill and let it firm up a little more if you want it. So I'm just gonna keep mine simple and decorate it with 3 sweet little raspberries. Okay, now I get to taste this for you. Greg didn't want to try it because he actually really likes sugar in his mousse, and because I use stevia here, he was not interested at all. So I'm going solo on this one. Silky smooth. Very chocolatey and delicious. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna take 1 little raspberry. You see, if you're into weight loss, you don't want to be using a lot of syrups in your breakfast bowls, this is a great way to lose weight. And you can actually go ahead and use some berries to sweeten up the mousse, okay? So I find that's really effective. Like, you can add in a 1/4 cup of raspberries, a little bit of strawberries, and it'll give it that sweetness that you need. So this is actually very delicious, and this is a great base. You can add peanut butter to this, you can add berries to this, you can do whatever. You can add coconut, grated coconut. So it's really delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you try it out. And if you do, leave a comment down below and let me know how smooth and creamy and delicious this recipe is. So I hope you guys subscribe and share this video with a friend, because sharing is caring, and we will see you next time for the next recipe. See you later.